We must start conference.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Tokumo Isaac. I'm here to show you how to generate a code for students to enter their details and store them in a file. So first, we have to print our topic or headline, student management system. Uh, right. So now create a variable ID number for students to enter their ID number. We use our underscore to separate them. Now equal to, then we're supposed to use an integer because ID numbers are numbers, but we are going to represent it as a string instead. Input and enter your ID number or 02. I didn't look up that later. Or 02 view all existing details. So we're going to make use of our if statements because we've already told the users that if they entered 0, it will show all the computer will show them all their details, all the details they've entered before. So now say if ID number is equal to w equal to sign 0. It's a string, so we have to represent it in a string. Our colon. The computer will then print all their details that they've stored in the same file earlier on or before. So in file, you first have to open the file. In file is equal to open, then the file name. I don't have time to be typing everything, so I just copied and pasted it. It might not work like this on your own um, laptop, but for me, it's how I have to do my own. Then our mode, we are going to read it. Since the computer is going to print it out, we have to use our read mode function to allow the computer to print it out. That's R and our comma. So we just create a random variable to store our the in file, like content reader. Equals to in file but read, because we are reading it. Node function here. Then our brackets. So we then close the file, our infile.read. We close it by saying in infile dot close brackets. Since content reader is the one that is holding this infile.read, we have to print our content reader. Now we have to use our else sign, our else decisions structure. That's if the user did not enter 0. Then our while loop to continue asking us the questions. Instead of us just printing the questions out one by one for many people, just use our while loop so that it will continue asking us the questions until somebody enters 0. So while ID number is not equal to 0, should
Who is that? Are you the one eating something already?
so we allow the user to enter their names. Name is equal to because it's a string word. You know Anita.
Hmm?
You know Anita. It's not. Yes. One day, oh. Nurses told me yesterday, so one day she was going to their computer house to check phone. She just knocked. So you know what she saw? You create an age variable. And then say how we do, they got enter. So allow the user enter their age. Their age also be represented as a string. Input. Yeah. And okay. Stick. Enter your age. What other thing? Class, but class is already a function here. It's an input function in Python, so we can't make use of class. Puts grade. Input. Okay. Class. So now that we got all this down, we use our out file. We're using out file because we want everything to display in our file. Display as output inside our file. Print same thing. And then our out file dot read because we are reading it. Then we print
Isaac, quick adjustments. Your out file is writing. Your in file
okay.
and your in file, your statement earlier is not reading anything. Okay, your in file is correct. Sorry, I'm sorry. Your out file is to write to the file.
Okay. Our out file is writing to the file to our in file. So we print name as curly brace because of our f string. Then whatever the user entered as their name.
Isaac, I meant out file dot write.
Okay, táwọn náà bá dín wọn máa bò ó lè lọ́lẹ̀ ní lọ́lẹ̀ tó gbà ní ìgbà tí ó ní lọ́wọ́ ìdìbò.
Then your mode should be append. You know your mode should be append.
Yes.
So continue. You are doing well. Continue.
Eat it. Just eat it. Eat it now. Oh, I'm not giving you.
The baby. Yeah, we do the same thing for all the other ones. The age.
I want to pay it.
Age, then their grade. They are backslash n to separate them. And for our ID. Okay, sorry. ID backslash n. So we put our backslash n at the back so that any other ID number that any other person wants to enter will not be joined under the same line. And it won't, but let's just put it there. Then so outside the while loop, we then print stored.
So Isaac, you can roll it now. ID. Age 12 plus 3 says let me read this. Isaac, run it again. Enter zero. Now go to your student.txt.
No.
That means you are calling the wrong file. Check your code. You are calling the wrong file. Delete this terminal.
Sir?
Delete this terminal. Now, the only error I can see your code. If you tried, yes, the only error I can see with your code is you've done out file is equal to print. Out file is just equal to those things. It's not equal to print. You don't put print and out file together.
Okay.
Now run it again. Now run it again.
You are not dancing here.
Okay, that's an issue. So run it again.
Yeah. This one plus the former ones.
So Isaac has just successfully built a student management system that follows the process where it can store in a file and it can also read from a file. So it reads information stored in a file, which is I would say we discussed that this is one of the bases of major companies that they store their information in files or databases. So good job, Isaac. He has created a student management system whereas he stores information in the file, where he stores information in the file or where he stores information in his file, sorry, and he reads from the file as well. Yeah, so good job, Isaac.
Yeah.